Hello! In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect to a ProyectECU. Okay, the first thing we must do is go to the page www.ProyectECU.com. We will choose English from the menu that is below, and then we will go to the download link. As an example, we will choose the Spartan. Okay, here we will see the icons for the USB driver, Tuner Studio, Quick Guide, Manual, and several video tutorials in addition to several guides. Okay, first we will download the USB driver. We will now choose where to download it. And then we will execute it. It will ask us for permission to install, and here we will click the install button, and then it will tell us that it was pre-installed successfully. We now will go to Device Manager by clicking the Windows button with the right mouse button, and we will see a list of devices. We connect the ECU to 12 volts and GND, and the USB to the PC, and we will see that a new device appears in the list. It has the letters CH340. There we will know that is the correct COM port. Now, we will download Tuner Studio and install it. Is a straightforward installation. Once installed, we open it and we will create a new project and auto-detect. There we will be able to see what firmware version we have. Knowing this, we can go to the page and download the .ini of the version. Here we look for the version we need and we will download it. Once downloaded, we are going to unzip the .zip. Windows has a button to do this. Once unzipped, we go to Tuner Studio and click on Other. There we load the .ini and click Next on everything. Then we will have the main screen and the ECU connected. Now we recommend to put Ctrl+P or go to the project menu and enable hardware test. Ready. This is all for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.